Hey guys, it's Baby Lee. Just found out how to do a new hairdo. But I got this game from my dad, Lonesome Simone, and my channel. And it's called Pie Face. And I'm going to be showing you what kind of like how to play it, but not playing it, and opening the package. So let's set the camera here while I open it real quick. So that's the face, the hand, this, okay. Alright, so this is all the stuff. So right here we got the part that holds it all. Right here we got the hand that goes here and it smacks you. Here we got the parts that twist and turn, I guess. And here's the face and the spinner. Face, you put your face in like this. So